Okay, so this is a quick run through of covalent bonding. So here I've got some examples of some covalent compounds. Remember, covalent compounds are formed when atoms share a pair of electrons, and that covalent bond that is formed is a strong bond. In terms of visually, how do we represent this? Well, here is the simplest one we have, two hydrogens each sharing one, so the overlap here is where they share. Get a bit more complicated, so we've got oxygen sharing two pairs, so 1, 2, 3, 4 electrons being shared, so that's two covalent bonds. And here, a bit more complicated again, we've got carbon dioxide, where they are sharing, again, two on each side, so two pairs on each side, that's double covalent bonds to form these covalent molecules. Make sure you know methane and hydrogen chloride, and what else is in there? We've got water on there as well, and just check to make sure you can draw all of those. All these materials are non-metals, so covalent bonds are formed between non-metals. In terms of the structure within this, so there's my covalent molecules, two here. We've already said that these bonds are strong. In between these molecules are weak forces of attraction, so weak forces between the molecules, and that helps us to understand the properties. So the first property is their melting and boiling point, and their melting and boiling point is quite low because these forces between the molecules are quite weak. That does not take a lot of energy to break, and therefore the melting and boiling point is quite low. In terms of their ability to conduct electricity, all those electrons that they've got are used in bonding, so they're not free to move. Therefore, they are poor conductors of electricity because they're spare electrons, or they've got no spare electrons, they're used up in their bonding. Okay, so again, quick summary of covalent bonding, and I'll move on to some of the other examples now for you to have a quick listen to.